Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a small pocket. I'm telling you right now, like, I would just lose my head if it wasn't attached, but let me show you. I made this big one out of a paper lunch bag. I will try to remember when I go to edit and upload to link it down below. I'm going to be honest though, if you, like, I'm pre-filming because I need surgery, so I'm getting as many videos done as I can because I won't be able to come down to my craft room. I'm going to be in a cast for 6 weeks. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can. So if I don't remember to link it down below, I'm very sorry. Anyway, we're going to make this but use these tiny little pockets. These tiny little bags. So that's what we're doing today. I have 2 out here so we can make 2 because I figured, we should be able to make 2, right? Like, that should be no problem. I have this Summer Splash 6x6 paper pad to kind of dress it up a little bit. And I just saw a piece of paper that I thought I wanted to use. Let's use this one here. So we're going to use this paper if it comes out. And then we have some of these, like, little tags that we can make something out of to go in the pocket. So let's get started. First, we need to know how big it is. Now, I got these on Amazon. I will link them in my Amazon storefront. I think they might already be in there. Also, let me pause for a second. So I said, let me pause for a second and accidentally press stop. I wanted to move my camera. I got bumped, so it was back farther than it should have been. So this is about 3 3/8 inches wide. So we're going to do 3 1/4. And then how I want to do it, you see there's a natural crease right here from where this reaches. I want to fold that, see, fold it, and bring this up to make a bigger front pocket. So you're going to have 2 pockets. You're going to have this and then one here. And if you wanted, you could slice it across, but I don't think I am this time. So now I want to measure, so we'll go 4 inches. So we need this to be 3 1/4 by 4. I just cleaned up and put everything away. Why did I do that? I don't know. So let's cut this down to 4 inches. And then 3 1/4. Okay. So we have that piece there. And let's cut a piece for on here. And that is 3 1/4 again. And 1 3/4. But let's find a different piece of paper. One that will look good with this. I kind of like this one. What do you think? I really like this wood. We're not going to use that. Okay. So we need 1 3/4 and then 3 1/4. Alright, so that's what we need. You don't have to cover this, but the other one I stamped, and then I thought I would like to cover, I want to cover this one because I stamped the other one. So we'll try something different. So we have this piece in here, and we're just going to glue it in. And then this piece here. Like, look how adorable that is. That's adorable. So let's glue this piece. I was just crafting, I don't know why, my glue, and I can't get the thing off. Great. There we go. I also literally fell down the steps coming down here. Like, I would have really hurt myself. However, I was holding onto the door handle because I was closing the door behind me. And if I wouldn't have, and then my boot got, because, I'm in a, if if you're just stumbling upon this video, I have been in a walking boot on my left side for like 2 months now. And my boot got caught on the ledge when I was walking down the steps, and I fell. I said, thank God I'm getting surgery. Because it hurt. It really hurt. Oh no. I just thought of something. Hold on. So it literally just popped in my head that my boyfriend's aunt is getting married in June. So I called him and I'm like, dude, I'm going to be in a boot for your aunt's wedding. And he's like, oh, who cares? I'm like, I care. I'm like, I have to wear a pretty dress. And like I care. Comment down below. Like, wouldn't you care? Like, I care. He goes, well, you can just wear a long dress. I don't want to wear a long dress. All right, I'm going to go sew this. I will be back. Okay, here it is. Let me zoom in a little bit. But I'm probably going to forget to zoom out. But there we go. Here it is. Isn't that cute? Look at it. It's such a cute little pocket. And then, I don't know, can you hear my dog barking? He's such a pain. I think he's barking because the boyfriend's eating dinner. Let's trim this off here. Okay, and then we can bring this in and trim this off. And then we have this cute little tag to go up there, and then one, I would cut this down. Let's cut this down. That's too tall. Too tall. I really like this like vintage look of this paper pad. There we go. That is so cute. What do you guys think? Should we make another one? Oh, let me zoom out before I forget, because I will forget. So should we make another one? Use a different paper pad? What else do we got? What else do we got? Don't mind me, I'm looking. I'm looking to see what else we got. How about this one? I don't think I've ever even used this one. Our Travel Adventure. What do you think? What do we got in here? Oh, we got all kinds of cut apart. Oh, like these. I like these. So let's tear this out. And then we need, what about this one here? These are all paper pads that I got in the mystery boxes from Echo Park. So I obviously had no choice as what I was going to get. So doing a little project like this, I think this one here. What do you think? I think so. Let's put these back. Put the scraps in with the paper pad. Scraps in with the paper pad. Put that away, and then we'll use this one and do the same thing. We're just going to, this one's the one I was making sure that it would work. So it's nice and loose and ready to go. So, like I said, right here where the natural, here, I'll grab a new one. Since that one was used, let's grab a new one. Okay, so right here, you can see it's just like a natural little line. You're going to fold that on that line, so right here, and then keep this like that. And then this should still be 4 by 3 1/4 and 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. So, let's cut. 4" by 3 1/4, and then 1 3/4. 1 3/4. I had to think. 1 3/4. Now, if you're doing the same project, please measure because everyone's different. Like, you don't know. You might not get the same ones. They might not be the same size. Don't just go by my measurements. You need to measure. And then we're going to cut these. Into little strips. Yeah, the boyfriend's like, oh, who cares? I'm like, I care because, like, you can just put on a jacket and a tie and a dress shirt and look fine. Like, men, I'm telling you. Okay, so we'll just do the last one so you can see how it's made again. And we have this piece here that we're going to glue on. And also, by the time you've seen this video, I don't know when any of these videos are coming up, but I've already probably most likely had my surgery. I did 2 3/4. Did you guys catch that? Did you see it when I was doing it? It's alright. Things happen. And then I will pause because my sewing machine is off camera. I should really maybe think about, but then I'd have to get another camera. And it took me forever to find this one, and I don't want to pay the money that I've paid for this one for another camera. I'm just going to be honest. I'll be back. Okay. And we have these little, I don't know, where they stamps? I don't know what they are, but they are cute. So we're just going to put them in here. 1, 2, and let's cut. Let's cut. Oh, sorry, Italy. You're going. And this one. And then we have these. That is super cute. Let's zoom you in so you can see. What do you think? That's really cute. So, where's the other one? I literally lost it already. Where is it? Oh, hold on. It's my mother-in-law calling. Okay. I'm back. But here we go. Here they are. I think they're cute. They're adorable. I mean, I love this one too. But the little mini ones are just so cute. Let me zoom out before I forget, because I will. We all know this. There we go. They're just so cute. And it was a quick project. I did 2 in what? I'll say 13 minutes, because I did pause to sew. But there you go. Even the cutting, everything, 2 and 13 minutes. You could stamp the back, put paper on the back if you would want to. I mean, I would just glue this into an actual journal. Here we go. Here's my journal. Here's my journal for April. As you can see, it hasn't been written in yet. But yeah, I would just glue this down right on a page, and that would be really cute to glue on a page. It'd be really cute to send out in Happy Mail. There you go. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you like this little project. It's adorable. I'm going to pat myself on the back because it's really cute. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.